Welcome to today's guide. If you've ever wanted to watch YouTube videos in a language you don't fully understand, or if you're trying to learn a new language, subtitle translation can be a game changer. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling translated subtitles on your smart TV so you can enjoy content from all over the world in your preferred language. Before we begin, let's talk about why subtitle translation is useful. It helps you understand foreign language content without struggling. It's great for learning new languages while watching engaging videos. It allows you to watch videos from creators worldwide, even if they don't provide subtitles in your language. It enhances accessibility for hearing-impaired viewers by providing readable text. Step 1. Check if your TV supports subtitles. First, let's make sure your smart TV or streaming device supports YouTube subtitles. Most modern smart TVs, including Samsung, LG, Sony, and Android TVs, have built-in subtitle settings. If you're using a Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or Chromecast, subtitles are usually available through the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app on your TV. Play any video that you suspect has subtitles. Press the Settings or CC, Closed Captions, button on your remote. If you see subtitle options, select English or another language if available. If you don't see the option, your TV might not support automatic subtitles, but don't worry, we have workarounds later in the video. Step 2. Activate automatic translation. Once you've enabled subtitles, let's get them translated. While the video is playing, go to Settings in the YouTube app. Find the Subtitles or CC option. Select Auto Translate from the list. Choose your preferred language. YouTube supports dozens of languages including Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Hindi, Chinese, and many more. This feature is especially useful for travel vlogs, international news, tutorials, and educational content that might not be available in your native language. Step 3. Alternative method using your phone for translated subtitles. Now what if your TV doesn't support automatic translation? No problem. Here's a simple trick. Open YouTube on your phone, whether it's an Android or iPhone. Play the same video you want to watch on your TV. Tap the settings icon on the video. Select subtitles, then choose Auto Translate and pick your language. Now cast the video to your TV using Google Cast, Chromecast, AirPlay, or a similar feature. This way, your phone will handle the translation while you enjoy the video on a big screen. Step 4. Other workarounds if Auto Translate is not available. If none of these options work, here are a few other solutions. Find videos that already have translated subtitles. Many content creators upload videos with multiple subtitle options. Use external apps like VLC Media Player on smart devices that support external subtitle files. Download subtitles manually. Some websites provide downloadable subtitle files that you can add to videos on compatible players. Final thoughts. Enjoy a world of content. Subtitle translation is a fantastic tool that helps you access a vast amount of content, from travel vlogs and documentaries to educational courses and news reports from around the world. Whether you're learning a new language or just want to explore international content, this simple feature expands your viewing experience like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite international YouTube channel? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.